Alright guys, I'm about to show you how to take out a stump with a chainsaw, a shovel, and a truck. This is what I got right now. I dug out the roots on this side and cut them out. There's still two big roots right there. That might be two right there, but there's one right there and two right there maybe. But I cut out all these other ones. So I'm gonna see if I can yank it free with my Dodge. Let's see. Well, that didn't work. All right, well, we're gonna try this again, but we're gonna take a different approach. I dug this out a little bit more, and I'm gonna cut this out the best that I can. Because I didn't realize how big it was, but this root is the biggest root, and it's in direct line of where I'm pulling. So, yeah, it's probably a necessity to come out. So we'll take that one out, and I'll probably dig around this one too and dig this one and cut this one out as well. So we'll see how that goes. All right, I cut the crap out of it, so I just want to see if it's gonna get loose. Maybe this did it, I don't know, but let's find out. I didn't cut this side yet, but I cut the shit out of this big one. So I mean, I cut the crap. So let's see what happens. Maybe I made it loose. Well, I forgot to press record on that last part. And yeah, I had my wife looking through the window, and it just was not looking good. It didn't even budge. So, plan C. So now, kind of like how I cut this, like straight down like that, I think I'm gonna do that again. Just bam, 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 bam. And then like level with the ground, and then break it off, probably with my axe, and then just cover it up with dirt, and then just let nature take its course. I think that's gonna be the best and more efficient way. And I'd rather do that and spend money on chainsaw chains than break my truck, because this thing is not freaking moving. I'm guessing there's a huge freaking ball root underneath, and it's just it's stuck. So I'm just gonna cut it down. Here we go. We're just gonna freaking chop this thing up with the chainsaw, slice and dice, take it out piece by piece, and fill in all the dirt, wet it down so it's nice and compact, let nature take its course. All right, there you have it. There's the stump. That's what we got left. So now I can bury it. It'll rot away. I'm gonna have to fill it in with dirt every few years as the wood rots. But now I can take my boat, back it up there next to my shed, and we'll be good to go. All right, no more stump. It's completely out of the way. I can get my trailer for my boat, sneak it right by, park it right here behind my camper, and won't have to worry about hitting a stump. It's completely gone. This is exactly where it was, right here. So there you go, guys. If you like what you see, like and subscribe, and you'll see more stuff like this. Let's go.